Hey there, welcome back. Thanks so much for joining me. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My channel name is Awakening Sunshine in hopes of awakening authentic expression. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you do like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I'm excited to share everything with you. Today is going to be a video on unique smoothies that I personally love. These are like some of my favorite smoothies that I just drink all the time. So let's get to it.
Like some toys, try to hide those things that you feel inside. Keep it close, don't let go. Can't get to you, can't get to you, can't get to you. I can't get through to you, yeah. Can't get to you, can't get to you, can't get to you. What am I supposed to do? I'm compromising, I've been fighting. I can't get to you, I can't get through to you. Can't get to you, can't get to you, can't get to you. I can't get through to you.
Wake up to the sound of your fleeting heart. Wake up to the sound of your fleeting heart. When you go, what you leave is a work of art on the chest of my heart. She went out in a hail of morning grace. She went out and got lost in a tall hedgeway. Where'd you go?
If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and hit subscribe down below. Thanks again for watching. Cheers.